Do you know the trick to make your wire shelves feel like they are solid shelves? Let me show you. EasyLiner Clear Classic is the thing you need in order to turn your wire shelves into solid shelves so nothing falls through all of those holes. But what is the best way to do it? Well, I have 3 easy steps for you. Step 1, remove everything from your wire shelves. You might even want to wipe them down. Step 2, take your EasyLiner Clear Classic and measure it to the length of your wire shelf. Now, my wire shelves are at an L angle, so I recommend going wall to wall when you measure on an L-shaped angle, so your EasyLiner will overlap in the corner. Then you're gonna take your EasyLiner, place it on the shelf, and you're good to go. For L-shaped cabinets, it makes the most sense to keep something on the corner just so you don't get that slipping and sliding that could happen because of the shape of the shelves. Now you can get solid shelves by using EasyLiner Clear Classic.